All right, hello guys. So again, it's the Tuesday strategy we're using with the 50 period Bollinger Bands and a normal stochastic. We found a good example entry point on the gold US dollar. We had a huge spike in gold today. It looks like it's going to be a continuing bullish run. Right now on a 5-minute chart, this is a scalping strategy. We can use it on a 1 hour to 4 hour time frame for longer term trading. But nonetheless, we have the stochastic showing an oversold position and we are in a bullish market. It didn't quite cross the moving average line here. So we're going to go ahead and open up a quick buy position scalp trade, and we will keep you guys updated on how everything goes. Stay tuned and we will be back. Hey guys, David again from Trade Support Group. Remember, we're on a Tuesday new strategy, Bollinger Band 50 with a stochastic, the normal setting. So we've got a couple of indicators here that I want to show you guys before we initiate a trade. Maybe we won't do it right this second. We're looking at the Bitcoin USD. Notice that the Bitcoin opened up with a gap at the beginning of, towards the end of the week actually. And I like this strategy of what's called closing the gap. It doesn't always work, but I use it sometimes. And as you can see, we started off very strong at the week, and then we end up closing the gap here today on the 24th, back down to the current price, and then obviously it's back up. But one thing we want to look at right now, we're below the 50-day moving average on the Bollinger Bands. We've got an overbought position or setting right now with the stochastic. So what we're looking at ideally is to see when these two lines cross, start heading back down. As long as they don't break fully the 50-day moving average, we may be in a pretty good position to open up a short. And we'll keep you guys updated. Just wanted to cover a couple of different strategies all in one here. Covering the gap again, and our 50 period moving average with the Bollinger Bands and the stochastic. Stay tuned guys, we'll keep you updated on every single trade we do. We'll go ahead and in the next few minutes make a short position on this most likely, and we'll see the results later. Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group again. We're wrapping up our second day and second strategy, the Bollinger Bands with a 50-day moving average and the stochastics with normal settings. So you can see our results from, these are the ones from yesterday. We had all positive trades. We ended up making, I think it was around $400 to $500, something like that. And from starting today with a new strategy, you can see here, the 24th, Christmas Eve, we had a $100 profit on gold. We had another $124 profit on gold as well. We had a profit of $20, nothing really big, but it was on Bitcoin. And we had a losing trade on Forex with the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc of about $28. So in total, if we do a custom report looking at today, we can see that we came out almost $400 up today, which on a $100,000 account is 0.4%. And if we're averaging at this point 0.4% a day, by the end of a 20-day working month, that's 8% a month. And we're not being aggressive at all, guys. We're not even trading full time. This is a matter of about 2 or 3 hours worth of time dedicated, maybe even less. And it's fairly simple. Not guaranteeing you'll be successful every day, but with the right measures and the right people backing you, especially at Trade Support Group, your chances of success will be much higher. So come check us out, get some free consultation. If you're looking at this video on YouTube, click the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and come on aboard. We're more than happy to help out. Hopefully all you guys have a wonderful holidays, and we'll catch up later on in the week. Bye for now. Guys, the way we're using this strategy, again with the 50-day moving average and stochastic, we're looking for either the bottom half or the top half of the Bollinger Bands where the candles are. In this case, we're at the bottom half. Looks like a potential bearish trend. And in this case, since it's on the bottom half, we're looking for overbought positions on the stochastic, maybe a good entry point to go short, which you can see here. While I was doing this video for you guys, the stochastic lines crossed on a 15-minute chart, and you can see here we start to see a pull down. So this is the strategy we've used today. It's been fairly successful. We have over 120 strategies for you guys to learn from us, one-on-one training. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care.